Today I'm staying at Lopesan Costa Meloneras Resort. Now I usually stay at a budget-friendly hotels, and I've actually never stayed at a resort. So I have a friend of mine, she has been trying to convince me to stay at a resort forever. So we're traveling, we're in Spain. So I was like, you know what? Let's see if the math is mathing. This place is looking really good. So it looks like they serve a buffet style breakfast. When I booked my hotel, it was breakfast included. I chose breakfast included, but you can also choose breakfast and dinner included. It's completely up to you. So you can choose to eat inside, or you can choose to eat in the veranda, as I like to say, the outside. I think we should go outside. Breakfast is served, y'all. And everything about this place, I'm enjoying it. The pancake and the Nutella, it's hitting the right spots. At check-in, they give you this wristband which opens your door. And voila, there it is. My suite comes with a king-size bed, which is, man, that was comfortable last night. And I also really appreciate the fact that I'm able to just enjoy this amazing view, especially in the morning. And over there, that's the view of the ocean. So I'm gonna head out later just to kind of also explore that. Just look at this, y'all. Beautiful. The room comes with 2 closets. Here you can unload your stuff. Your safe is here, and your swim pool towels are here. So depending on how long you're staying at the resort, each morning you get to exchange your towels, right? So say you pick that up, you use it, in the morning, there's a spot right by the pool, you grab a fresh one and then you use it back and forth. Because I'm only staying here for 2 days, I'm literally only going to be at the pool like all day, to be honest. So I won't be exchanging these because I'm just going to drop them off when I'm done using them. The refrigerator is stocked for you. Here they have Coca-Cola, orange juice, water, beer. I flew in very late last night, so I opened one water. That's probably gonna cost me €3, €5. I'm not sure, but it's gonna be between that. They have your tea, coffee, stock for you, just in case you wanna grab something quick in the morning before you head for breakfast. Here's the bathroom, and here's the shower, and here's a mirror for you. And here's the gorgeous view of the ocean. The resort has restaurants by each pool. I believe there's about 4 to 5 pools around. Oh no, I was getting ready to dance. So I'm about to order me some cocktail, relax, sunbathe, and have me a little fun. I guess we also have a live DJ on set. This class is also offered, so you can get your workout in the morning if needed. 1, 2, 3, 4. She's over here literally, she's just lighting people up, y'all. So you have to pay €100 to book the Cabana because it is private. per day. It's €100 per day. I do think that's a bit ridiculous because, hello, it is part of the resort. That should be free. But have at it if y'all want to book it and just have the little privacy to be able to go back and forth and not have to share chairs. That's completely up to y'all. For lunch, I ended up ordering puchica de pollo de coral. It looks like it's grilled chicken. The kitchen opens at 1 p.m. and thankfully it's not a long line. As you can see it. Let's see if this chicken is worth the $15 I spent. It is grilled chicken. Just from the look of it, it's not really, I don't know. I know you're not supposed to judge a book by its cover, but let's see. It's basic. I've had better chicken. I'll give it a 5 out of 10. Matter of fact, I'll give it a 2 out of 10. It's alright. I actually feel like this was just a waste of money. I should just went to the other restaurant because, yeah, this is not good at all. At all. Comes with potatoes, baked potatoes. I think the baked potatoes and the corn is gonna be my favorite. But everything else, it's just there. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna change that rate. I'm gonna give them a -1. What is this? Like, what is this? All in all, just skip the food by the bar, by the pool. Grab your drinks by the pool, but skip the food and go eat at other restaurant. This is not it. There's also a casino nearby, so getting at the resort is highly recommended. You will not be bored. It's definitely giving Las Vegas vibe. Supermarket nearby. I highly recommend getting your waters here and little things that you need to get through by. One of the mistakes I made at the resort was I just kept buying stuff there, especially my waters. I know, like the waters were like €2, but that goes a long way. Meloneras has a lot of high-end resorts here. It's also considered Beverly Hills. Think of Beverly Hills, south of France, that kind of vibe. You need to have money. Just a heads up, bring some moolah, like lots and lots of mullahs. Is it $685 worth the splurge? I would say yes. I wish I spent a little bit more to have more days here, but you know, I'm not complaining. Yes, I am. I will absolutely stay here. One of the things that really stood out to me, especially yesterday, I wasn't feeling good yesterday, and the manager, he was more than willing to go across the street to the pharmacy and grab me something like Tylenol. I was like, oh my God, that's not a 10 out of 10 customer service. Matter of fact, 100 out of 100 customer service. The person above him, for some, I believe there's some laws or some rules, he couldn't do it. So he was told he couldn't do it. But he called and checked me and checked on me. They sent food up here for me because I couldn't go downstairs and eat. It was just, it was just amazing. And there's also a private doctor in the resort, or there's a hospital not too far from here, and he was telling me like, oh, if you have insurance you can use it. Yesterday was one of the scared moment for me because I have insurance. I have my US insurance, but I never take out travel insurance, and you guys know I'm starting my first solo travel, and I was terrified. I was like, oh my God, what's gonna happen to me? And I panic and I call my mom and she's like, oh shit. So if you are at this resort and you do get sick or if something happens to you, I just want you to know that like you're gonna have people taking care of you the whole entire time. So that was one thing that really stood out for me. One thing I did not like was the resort, it's not all inclusive, so I get it. Everything else is paid for. Like yesterday, I wanted to really sit in the cabana. It was like €100 for the whole day. I'm like, that's ridiculous. It's a cabana. Why? I wanted to play tennis because they have a tennis score. And it was like, oh, you have to pay 18 euros and $4 for the racket and blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, come on, it's a tennis court. Why are we paying for this? Like, come on now. But other than that, I would give it, oh, I would give it because they went above and beyond to take care of me. I would say a 10 out of 10. That's the one thing that bumps it up. Otherwise, I would give it a 9 out of 10 just because of that little extra payment stuff and the food. So because of them taking care of me and making sure I was okay, I'll give them a 10 out of 10. I think I might do a little bit more resort this year. Hi, my name is Stella, and I am a Chicago based part time travel creator and Togolese born. If this is your first time discovering my channel, make sure to subscribe and like. Until then, happy travels.